Hey guys, this is Jim from the KVM Paintball team. The action you're going to see in a minute was at Capital Combat Zone Paintball Park. That's down just outside of Troy, New York. It's a fairly new field. The guys down there did an outstanding job putting this field together. We didn't find anything wrong with it. It's an urban style paintball play. Unbelievable amount of buildings and bunkers they put down there, all constructed 100% perfect, laid out right, nothing but total fun. Over 100 people there, and there was no crowding, nothing. This park was unbelievable. In this review, I'd give it a 9.5, and the only reason I don't give it a 10, because the guys down there told me that they're going to be putting in a speedball field for the 2013 season, and once they do that, it's definitely going to be a perfect 10 down there. If you haven't been there yet, I definitely recommend this park. You're going to have nothing but fun. Everybody down there was smiles, and I didn't hear a negative word about this park. So let's get to the action.
3, 2, 1, go, 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 go!
On you, man.
Take me to new
closing your eyes so you can see. So you can see. No, baby, I don't care what they say, it's so easy. No, baby, I don't care what they say, it's so easy. Yeah, it's coming on. It's getting sweeter and sweeter. If you're gonna drown, do it the right way. Do it the right way. I don't care what they say, it's so easy. I don't care what they say, it's so so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. Oh, baby. It's so easy. It's so easy.
Alright, hey, you're here at KVM Paintball. We're down here at Combat, Capital Combat Zone actually, for the Braveheart. And with me today I got Kyle. Tyler. I'm old, you gotta speak up. Hey, and you watched Tyler out on the field the first half of the day, and he fought really hard and fair and good sportsmanship, so we thought we'd present Tyler, right? Tyler. Present him with a KVM t-shirt for all his hard work out there, and glad to have him out there on the field with us, and hey, good to have you out there and keep playing paintball the way you do, buddy. Okay, no problem. No, hey, come here for a minute. What team are you from?
New York
Okay. Speak up.
New York Infectious.
All right, and who did you come here to play with today?
My dad.
Dad, okay. So, all right, hey, thanks a lot, buddy. Play hard out there, play good, and we'll see you around, okay?
Good job.